Hello, guys. I hope you had a nice awakening this morning. Maybe you came up with some nice ideas what you would like to do today. And I would like you to keep positive. Every morning you get up, think of something pleasant, focus on some place you would like to be, some desert island within your own self. Give yourself a love, give yourself appreciation, and give yourself gratitude for uh, where the place you are, uh, what you are doing, and who you are. So I would like you to prize yourself for who you are and where you are, appreciating this moment. So we are going to do some hamstrings opening today. And I know that it's not easy to go to deep stretches, especially during this time when we are most of the time sedentary, unless you are always moving and you are super physical. So I would like you to try to go to the wall if you have some wall available. If you don't, then you work without the wall. We're going to start from downward facing dog, just next to the wall. So you press down through your hands and feet. You are in inverted V-shaped letter. Your legs are hip width distance, your arms are shoulders distance. Spread your toes and fingers out and draw shoulders back away from your ears. Gonna rise up on our toes, lowering heels down, lifting up and lowering down. You repeat it a few times. Now, you're gonna lift lower heels down and lift right leg up towards the ceiling. You open your hips fully, you point toes up, balance on your supporting foot up and down, flex and point your top foot. Flex and point, flex and point. So then you're gonna reach all the way up with your top leg. And you are going to release your top leg down and reach up with your left leg, lifting the left leg all the way up. Even up your weight body's weight, cross your arms on supporting leg and balance on your supporting foot up and down. Flex and point your top foot, flexing and pointing, flexing and pointing. Now, as you lower supporting heel down, reach up with your top leg and lower foot down. So now you're going to turn around. You are facing with your buttocks towards the wall. Now you are here in downward facing dog as well. So just a few inches away from the wall with your feet. Gonna lift our right leg up towards the ceiling. Now you start walking with your hands towards your front leg. So try to lengthen your top leg as much as you can, pushing with your supporting leg and the top leg towards the wall. Keep reaching up with your top leg and relaxing head down. You want to reach with your head towards your standing knee. Keep breathing. You can even rise up on the toes of your standing leg and lower heel down. Sense how it feels. You can stay here as long as you want to. Then to release position, you lower top leg down. Now, legs are hip width distance, and you push with the back of your legs to the wall. Hands down, lift heels up, and lower down. Lift heels up and lower down. Take a moment here. Keep pressing with the back of your legs to the wall and pressing down with your hands to the ground. Extending your arms and back. And you're gonna walk your hands forward, downward facing dog. Lifting left leg up to the sky. So here you start from free leg dog, gentle support of your of the wall for your top leg. Distribute weight evenly across your body. Then walk your hands all the way back towards your front leg. Keep reaching up with your top leg. And keep pressing with your supporting leg and the top leg to the wall. Your palms pressing down to the ground facilitates it. Keep breathing. See how far you can go with your hands towards your supporting leg. You can also lift up your supporting heel. Lower it down. Sense how it feels. If you can go deeper into your hamstring stretch. Stay here as long as you wish. And then you start lowering top leg down. Along the wall. Legs are in parallel. Look ahead. You are on your fingertips. Your feet are grounded. Then you release head down and press down through your hands. Draw shoulders back away from your ears, pressing with the back of your legs to the wall. Then lift up on your heels and lower heels down. Sense how it feels. Really push back of your legs to the wall as you press down through your hands. Shoulders away from your ears. Now keep your feet where they are and relax your upper body down. So if your feet are close to the wall, you're going to have a really nice stretch in your hamstrings and decompression of your back as you are hanging down with your upper body. Now to release the position, you can try to roll up your spine from here. You really need to engage your stomach muscles. Now if you are too close to the wall, you might not be able to lift yourself up. You can try. Yeah, so it might be a case that you step a few inches away from the wall with your feet, and then you try again, drawing navel in towards your back and rolling spine up, vertebra by vertebra. And tuck chin in to roll spine down. Keep your stomach muscles on. Roll spine down. Soften down your knees. And stretch your legs to roll spine up. Reach up through your hands, inhale. Exhale, release hands down. Tuck chin in to roll spine down. Vertebra by vertebra. Soften down your knees. Relax chest and top of your thighs. And stretch your legs to roll spine up. Rise up on your toes. Reach to the side and up with your hands. Push hips forward. Come off the wall with your upper body and the whole body. Reach up through your hands. Lower arms to your side. Rotate neck to one side. Back to the center. Hopefully you can hold the balance on your feet. Then rotate neck to the other side. Back to the center. Release heels down. Release hands down. Stretch your legs. Walk away from the wall. Reach up through your arms. Inhale. And exhale. Take a swing. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Interlace fingers back. Lower hands down. Bend your knees to roll spine up. Rotate shoulders back. Balance on your feet, front and back. Engage your center. Draw navel in towards your back. Lengthen spine through the crown of your head. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. And as you move forward, rise up on your toes. Balancing on the balls of your feet. Open eyes, reach up through your hands. Release your hands to the side, release heels down, shake your legs. And thank yourself for this short practice today. I hope it was helpful for you to open your hamstrings, to find this incredible strength and openness in your body, leave me a comment if you watched it, and you can find it on my YouTube. You will see the link to the YouTube channel, subscribe and watch more. Also, I'm running more sessions live on Instagram and Facebook, our social media. Again, you will find the information in the description. Thank you very much. And check out the FlowMove.eu. We run some aerial yoga teacher training. If you've got the tree around you, you can hang from there and do the teacher training with us. All the information on the FlowMove.eu. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.